Global plumbing market is expected to reach 112,427 million by 2023, growing at a CAGR of 6% year-on-year, fueled by higher investment in infrastructure facilities, rise in disposable income and growing investments in smart homes and buildings. Asia Pacific is the largest regional market in terms of market share and is expected to exhibit a CAGR of 6.6% between 2017 to 2023, with India being the mainstay of the growth story. Indian plumbing market size is currently 53,000 crore rupees and likely to grow at a CAGR of 12%, approximately propelled by the encouraging steps taken by the government to help transform India into a global plumbing hub. World-class infrastructure. Indian government is planning to invest $1.4 trillion in the next 5 years. Smart Cities Mission. With a mission to develop smart cities across the country, making them citizen-friendly and sustainable. Housing for All, which intends to provide housing for all in urban areas by year 2022. 10 to 12 million houses in urban and 29.5 million units in rural under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Jal Jeevan Mission, envisioned to provide safe and adequate drinking water through individual household tap connections by 2024 to all households in rural India. Sagarmala, Bharatmala, Udaan. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of the Prime Minister of making India a self-reliant nation by providing more support to Indian business for more growth.
हमें भारतीय उत्पादों को खरीदने वाले हर एक कस्टमर का दिल भी जीतना। हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स क्वालिटी में जितने बेहतर होंगे, उतनी ही ताकत देश की अर्थव्यवस्था को मिलेगी। आजादी के आंदोलन से लेकर आज तक फिक्की की भी देश की विकास यात्रा में बड़ी भूमिका रही।
With this backdrop, Plum Skills Expo has been mooted by the Indian Plumbing Skill Council (IPSC) and Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry (FICCI) to bring plumbing technicians and global industry under one roof to showcase the strength of Indian plumbing sector, transforming India into a global plumbing hub and bolstering the Skill India mission.
बहुत मजबूत नींव स्किल इंडिया मिशन की इस देश में पड़ी है। भारत के इन प्रयत्नों पर भारत के अंदर और भारत के बाहर लोगों का आकर्षण बढ़ा है। रोजगार और उद्यम की सारी संभावनाएं यदि आज बनी हुई हैं तो उसमें स्किल इंडिया डिपार्टमेंट से, स्किल इंडिया मिशन से भी उनका सीधा नाता है।
COVID-19 has exposed us to unprecedented challenges, but also opened plethora of opportunities transpired by the paradigm shift in manufacturing, supply chain and services, where India plays a pivotal role as a solution provider for the rest of the world. Building on the opportunities and inspired by the clarion call of the Honorable Prime Minister of India to capitalize India's inherent strengths, the event aims at making Indian plumbing industry a mainstay for global construction sector.
They must be trained because the fight is across the world and we want to win. We want to keep India's flag flying high.
Plum Skills Expo 2021 is being organized via virtual platform FICCI Bike, which will bring together participants, visitors, plumbing technicians, industry and other key decision makers from a diverse cross-section of the industry with a view to provide innovative solutions, identify new business opportunities, envisage skilling landscape and create an environment for exponential growth of the sector.
चलो काम करें, चलो काम करें, कुछ सीखें, कुछ नाम करें, चलो काम करें, चलो काम करें।
कि जो IPSC ने आपके कंधों के ऊपर जिम्मेवारी दी है, आप उसे पूरा करेंगे। जय हिंद।